Hey, good morning. It's Darla, your crafty yarn owl. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. I got a lot of things done this weekend. Actually, I did some shopping, picked up a few things for my 500 subscriber giveaway, which will be happening when I hit 500, which I'm very close right now. Thank you to all my subscribers, my new ones, my loyal ones. Hit the notification bell so you can be ready for that and enter when it happens. Um, yeah, it's a day for some happy mail. I actually ordered something from Amazon on Friday night, and it said that I would receive my package today, Monday. Then I got an email yesterday saying it's almost at its destination. It's like, oh my goodness. And then my doorbell rang, and I'm like, oh my God, it's here, it's here. So yeah, I have it right in front of me, and I'm going to open it up. I ordered 2 items, and I think they're both in here, I hope. This is the package right here. Yay. So before I open this, did you watch my video on how to make a miniature scene with a waterfall? Not real water, but yeah, I put a tutorial video on here last week, and I put a picture of it on Facebook, and one of my friends asked me, where do you get your ideas from? So I'm like, I get inspiration from everywhere I look, like everywhere. And I have so many ideas in my head. I've made some of the things that I have in my head. And I told her, you should spend a day in my head. You really should. Because it's like a party / circus in there. There's always something going on. So, yeah. So I'm in my PJs. I haven't showered. This is how my hair was when I woke up. I actually like this style because this is how I wake up. Sometimes I just have a bird bath and I go out, and that's just the way it is. It looks great as soon as I wake up sometimes. Yeah. It's an easy hairstyle to look after. Years and years ago, I had straight hair. My hair was really straight, and then when I got into my 30s, I started getting there's a bit of a wave in here. When it's washed, you can see the wave more. If you look back at my videos, it'll show better. But anyway, what else was I gonna say? I don't know. When I was a kid, I used to want to be a news broadcaster or a news reporter, and I used to also want to be a long haul truck driver. I mean, Dana with Wanderlust. Sorry, Dana. Wanderlust. Her YouTube channel. I watched her this morning live. I wanted to be a truck driver, and it never happened. But you know what? It's because I never made it happen. I never made it happen, and never became a truck driver, never became a news reporter, because I didn't make it happen. I mean, these things don't just happen. You have to make them happen, right? And I didn't do that. But I'm thinking now, because I was never a news reporter, it's probably because I'd be like, some stuff happened in Winnipeg this weekend. I can't remember what it was, but it happened. But anyway, on to a kind of a sadder note. We did have some things happen in Winnipeg this weekend, some horrible things. There were 3 murders. Just horrible. Pray for the families of those people, to help them get through this. It's just horrible. Okay. All right, happy mail. Happy mail. I'm going to open this box from Amazon that I ordered, and let's see what we got. Yeah, they glue it really good. Okay, hang on. Come on. Oh, woohoo! Stronger than I thought. Oh, yeah, go. Okay, both items are in here. Ta-da! This is a crochet hook set, obviously. Let me take it out of the thing here. With a case, which is really cool. It was $13 Canadian. 13 something. There's a zipper. Okay. Let's see. Open it up. Okay, it's size 2, which is also a B. 2 millimeter, which is also a B. To 6 millimeter, which is J. Oh, it feels kind of like velvet inside here. And I've been wanting to try these hooks. They're, oh, it smells so new. Oh my gosh, that almost smells like leather. Is that real leather? It smells like leather. Huh. Anyway, these hooks are, they're not the plastic ones, they're the rubbery, kind of softy ones. Yeah, they feel good. And this one does not have that, like, I mean, it's smooth. The hook itself is smooth. Yeah. And they're all different colors, which is really cool. Yeah, they feel good. It's a nice case. I like it, I like it. Of course, the real test is to try them out, right? All right, so, yeah. Woo-hoo. And then the next thing I ordered is a book. Hoorah! 500 crochet stitches, the Ultimate Crochet Stitch Bible. 500 crochet stitches. Okay, this is going to be backwards in the camera. It's a hardcover. And it says St. Martin's Griffin from New York, printed in China. And what else is it? Let's see, let's open it up. No, boy. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's in color, it's got diagrams. Oh, sorry, the book is so heavy I almost fell off the chair. Oh yeah, it's a carpet bag stitch. It has the names of the stitches. It tells how to make them. It's just, oh my goodness, look at Granny Squares. Oh, I can't wait to try some of these out. Alright, so, alright, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. So this book was around $20. So, around 20 Canadian. The hooks are around 13 Canadian. So that's 33. And then there was $6 delivery, and I got it within I ordered it Friday night, it came Sunday. So within 2 days, I didn't pay extra shipping. I paid the regular shipping, which was $6, I think it was. So taxes and stuff came around to around $42 for these 2 pieces. And my birthday's coming up, November 15th. So this is my birthday present to myself. Unless my boyfriend wants to pay me for it, and then it'll be from him. No, he probably won't. He'll get me something else. But yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. I love my acquisitions. Okay, so let's see. I want to do a tutorial this week. I'm going to try and do it. It's something that popped into my head like normal. I'm going to be combining crochet and miniature scene. And so, yeah, hopefully I'm going to start on that today. I have lots of other things to do. Today we have our cat, Huggles, who's 3.5, and then little Minnie is the little one we rescued from our backyard, the little baby that was abandoned by her family, her siblings, her mother. Anyway, so she's ours now, and so I have to clean the litter box. I have dishes to do that I normally would do at night, so I don't have to do them, the next day, and that just didn't happen last night. So I have that to do. I have to shower at some point today, and there was something else I was going to say, but here I go. Forgot. But I'm going to try and do a tutorial on that other thing that I just talked about. And that'll be this week. Hopefully starting today, and then I'll post it later in the week. But yeah, okay, that'll be it for this video. It's already 10 minutes. I don't really like to do really long videos, but that'll probably change as I go along with my channel. Thank you everyone again for subscribing. Thank you for hitting that bell, that notification bell. I want to do a shout out to what's her name? I want to do a shout out to Crochet EH. No, what's her name? Oh my gosh, she's from what? Cindy's. Spit it out, girl. Cindy's Crochet EH. I'll put the link in the description box. She's from Winnipeg here too. And I do plan on meeting her one day. I'm not sure what area she lives in Winnipeg. But hey, Cindy, I want to meet you. I want to get together with you for coffee. I do. Just because you live in the same city I do. Yeah, I watched your video this morning of when you went to visit your family and your sister Kathy. And yeah. Anyway, so I'll put her link in the description box. So you can go to her channel, check her out. And yeah, she got a lot of great stuff that she ordered and that she won. She won some giveaways. So exciting. All right, so, okay, that's it. I'm ending the video right now. I love you all. Thank you all for being here for me, for supporting me, for everything you do. Everything. Thank you. God bless you all. All right, later.